Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang 3 reasons why Shiba Inu price might see a massive surge over 400%. Yan, ito raw yung tatlong mga dahilan kung bakit ang si Shiba Inu ay magkakaroon ng massive surge. Yan, ng higit 400%. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, sabi dito ay just like the rest of the crypto market, the Shiba Inu price saw an uptrend at the start of the week before correcting back downwards on Tuesday morning. However, this decline may point to the meme coin gearing up for another rally that could see its rise more than 400%, and there are reasons why. Yan, sabi dito ay umakyat daw si Shiba Inu yung kanyang market price yan dito sa simula ng linggo na ito, pero ito ulit ay bumalik or bumagsak ulit. Parang maaring nagpapakita ito na naghahanda ito sa kanyang pag-akyat at yan sa kanyang pag-akyat ay maaring umabot siya ng 400%. The blessings of October. One of the first reasons that suggests a massive surge this month is how the asset has performed historically in the month of October. Looking back at previous years, the Shiba Inu price had shown incredible strength in October 2021, rising over 800%, which eventually lead to its all-time high. Ayan. Maganda po kasi ang performance ni Shiba Inu sa tuwing sumasapit ang buwan ng October. Kaya yan nga, yung nangyari sa October 2021, ayan ay dito siya nagkaroon or nabuo yung kanyang incredible strength. Ayan, or puwersa. Kaya ayan, dito siya nagsimula. Kaya maraming mga analysts ang nagsasabi na magiging maganda ang performance ni Shiba Inu ngayong buwan ng October. Then in October 2022, the altcoin marked a double-digit rise even amid the start of a very bearish market. Yan. Although this was much smaller than its 2021 figure, it was significant nonetheless and registered October as a bullish month for the altcoin. Going by the average of both of these figures, analytics platform CryptoRank posits that Shiba Inu price could rise over 400% this month if it sticks to its historical performance. Ayan. Noong October 2022 ay ayan, nakapagtala ito ng double digits na rise. Ayan. Noong 2021 ay dyan po siya nagkaroon ng ayan, matinding pag-akyat. Noong 2022 naman na October ay nagkaroon siya ng double digit rise. Kaya ayan, meron pong isang platform, analytic platform na si CryptoRank. Siya po ang nagkaroon ng analysis dito na maaring aakyat daw si Shiba Inu ng higit 400% sa buwan na ito. At yan ay kung yan ay mauulit yung kanyang mga ipinapakitang magagandang performance based sa kanyang historical performance. Shibarium continues to grow. Ayan, ito naman yung pangalawa na dahilan. Yung kay Shibarium, the Shiba Inu Layer 2 blockchains Shibarium built atop of the Ethereum network debuted in August. Yan, nailabas po nung August ang Shibarium. Following this, there have been some notable milestone for the network. One of these is the total number of transactions that have been carried out. Ayan, pag i-check po natin yung performance ni Shibarium ay ayan, halos lumalago po. Tumataas ng mabilis yung yung bilang ng kanyang transactions. Data from the Shibarium scan shows that the network has now crossed 3 million transactions. Additionally, wallet addresses on the network are now more than 1.25 million. Ayan, nakaka 3 million transactions na ang Shibarium. At yung wallet naman na-create dito ay umaabot na ng 1.25 million. The total blocks produced are also inching closer to the 1 million mark with each passing day. These metrics point to a growing rate of adoption which could significantly impact the Shiba Inu price. This is because SHIB serves as the governance token of Shibarium, and participants who want to be involved in governance will need Shiba Inu tokens to do so, increasing demand. Ayan. At number 3, Shiba Inu price trajectory. The Shiba Inu price has traded in a tight range between 50 digits 75 to 76, 71 to 75. Which suggests that the meme coin is finally finding a bottom. As a result, it could see a recovery using this point as a launch point and retesting the resistance at 50 digits 75. Sinasabi po rito ay mukhang naabot na po ang bottom price. Naabot na po ni Shiba Inu ang kanyang bottom price. Kaya kung pag bottom price na po ito ay wala na po itong ibang mapupuntahan kundi ang umakyat. Kaya yan yung mga tatlong mga dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng price surge si Shiba Inu. Yan ang kanyang Shiba Inu price trajectory kung saan ay nasa bottom price na po ito. Yan at yung tuloy-tuloy na paglago ni Shibarium. Yan, the blessings of October. Yan, maganda po ang performance ni Shiba Inu tuwing sa pagsapit ng October. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.